We have some breaking news coming in. This is the TV Today exclusive. Uddhav Thackeray has sent out a very tough message to ally BJP to the Panchayat Aaj Tak session that just was underway with him. The Sena chief has said that people want him as the state's chief ministerial candidate. Uddhav also tells the BJP to follow coalition dharma. He says the Sena wants alliance but is not afraid of any wave.
लोग अगर मेरे ऊपर भरोसा करना चाहते हैं, विश्वास रखना चाहते हैं, तो उसमें बुराई क्या है? लोगों के आईने में मैं देख रहा हूँ या उनके मन में मैं हूँ, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
देखिए बाला साहब ठाकरे
और ये क्यों वो अगर मेरे ऊपर भरोसा कर रहे हैं तो क्यों का पहले उत्तर ढूंढो, फिर चेहरा बदलो.
Okay. Kamlesh Sutan now joins in the phone line. Kamlesh, a direct and tough message by Uddhav Thackeray to the BJP.
Well, certainly, and Uddhav Thackeray and his party have never shied away from saying that the chief minister would be of the Shiv Sena. And today, Uddhav Thackeray confidently saying that the next government will be that of Shiv Sena, and if people of Maharashtra want, he will become the chief minister of Maharashtra. So clearly, Uddhav Thackeray also throwing his hat into the ring, and we see that the BJP pushing in for his chief minister. The Shiv Sena here saying that the next government will be there. Shiv Sena will lead the government, and if people want, Uddhav Thackeray will be the next chief minister of Maharashtra.
Also, Kamlesh, earlier there were fissures that were evident between the Shiv Sena as well as the BJP. First it was over seat sharing, but now clearly the battle between the two, which has been said out loud in quite a few ways by Uddhav Thackeray, is over the chief ministerial post. Alright, it seems that Kamlesh is not on the phone line with us. We'll try and reconnect with him. But once again, let's listen to Uddhav Thackeray's reaction when asked that question at Panchayat Aaj Tak.
लोग अगर मेरे ऊपर भरोसा करना चाहते हैं, विश्वास रखना चाहते हैं, तो उसमें बुराई क्या है? लोगों के आईने में मैं देख रहा हूँ या उनके मन में मैं हूँ, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
देखिए बाला साहब ठाकरे
और ये क्यों वो अगर मेरे ऊपर भरोसा कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों का पहले उत्तर ढूंढो, फिर चेहरा बदलो.
Okay.
Well, some diplomatic and some direct answers from Uddhav Thackeray at Panchayat Aaj Tak. Uddhav Thackeray there claiming that the people of Maharashtra want to see him as the chief ministerial face of Maharashtra in the upcoming elections, and that the BJP must realize the ground reality. Meanwhile, there are fissures that we have been pointing out between the BJP as well as the Shiv Sena, because the BJP has come out in the state and declared that they would want Gopinath Munde's daughter as the chief ministerial face of the party. But on the other hand, you have people from the Shiv Sena, you've had Sanjay Raut and others come out and say that they would have Uddhav Thackeray as the face of the Maharashtra elections as far as the NDA alliance is concerned. But Uddhav Thackeray now clearing the waters, claiming that if Maharashtra wants him as a chief ministerial candidate, he sees no harm. That's a tough and direct message that he has sent out to his ally, the BJP.